Alright, so this video is about how to clean your washing machine. So you should be cleaning it once a month. That'll keep any residual soap and other stuff from contaminating your clothes. So what you need to do that is you need a distilled white vinegar, which you can get from your grocery store. This bottle's almost done, so I have a second bottle here. And you need baking soda. So this is just the generic baking soda from the grocery store. And you need a measuring cup. I'm using a 4-cup measuring cup because you want to put, for a washing machine, you want to put in 4 cups of vinegar. But if you just have a 2-cup or even a 1-cup, just, add 4 cups of vinegar is the basic idea. So we're going to do that, and then we'll go over which cycle to run the washing machine on. Alright, so since we're using vinegar, I'm turning the fan on. Vinegar is pretty safe. You don't want to splash in your eyes, obviously, but it's an acid, so it's a little bit smelly. So we're going to get our 4 cups here. This is a little over 2 cups. So that one is done, and we'll finish it off with this one. Okay, it's about a little over 1 liter. So, all right, put this aside. Then you just want to pour that in the bottom of your dishwasher. Try not to splash it on yourself. Okay. I usually take some water, rinse this out, and pour it in there. I'll do that in a second. But I'll come back with some water and I'll show that. All right, so I put a little bit of water here to rinse out the rest of the vinegar. May as well get it in the tub. And like I showed before, I did it on the fan in here to keep the smell down, and also remove the humidity when you're running a washing machine cycle. Okay, so this one you turn on power. This is an LG. Let's see, LG direct drive, inverter direct drive. Say LG on there somewhere. Oh, it says it on. It says 10-year warranty. Anyway, this is there's LG right here. Yes, LG. I like this one. It's worked really well. Solid. All right, so this one has a tub clean cycle. That's what we're going to use. If you don't have that, just use like the normal cycle. Clean cycle is a little bit quicker. So it uses hot water, and it says it has light soil because there's no clothes in here, and it has a high spin speed to get it out. So you just close the top. We're not using any wash machine soap. So again, the idea of the vinegar is it's going to dissolve any minerals from your water, and also any soap buildup. It'll help dissolve that. And then we'll come back with and again, the vinegar is an acid. Come back with the baking soda. The baking soda will neutralize the acid, and also helps with getting rid of odors. It absorbs odors and other molecules you don't want in your washing machine. So we start this, and we'll come back in 55 minutes, and then we'll run the baking soda cycle. It will be done for the month. So it takes a couple hours a month, and your dishwasher and your clothes will be a lot happier. All right, the first tub cleaning cycle is done with the vinegar, and now we're going to add the baking soda. So let's open it up. It smells fresher because of the vinegar. Open this up and just dump it on the bottom. Could wear a mask, but as long as you keep it away from you, it doesn't put out that much. Just going to sprinkle it around. So again, this baking soda is a base, and it's going to neutralize the acid in the vinegar, and then it also helps remove odors and clean deodorizing. All right, so we just run the same cycle. Another 55 minutes, and we'll be all done with a clean dishwasher, washing machine. And it's done. All right, let's see. Let's smell. It smells clean. All right. So some simple household chemicals, distilled white vinegar and baking soda. You can clean your washing machine without buying the expensive pods and other things that they sell. So that's good for another month. And time to wash some clothes. All right.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is STScI signing out, and keep looking up.